Welcome to Core Concept Academy. In this video, we will learn how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, and vice versa. It may look confusing, but once you understand the steps, it is very simple. Let's quickly review these fractions first. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a fraction. For example, 3 1/4. An improper fraction has a top number that is bigger than the bottom number. For example, 11/3. Now, before converting a mixed fraction into an improper one, let's understand what a mixed fraction actually means. First of all, in a mixed fraction, we write a fraction next to a whole number. Have you ever thought about how they are connected? Are they connected by multiplication? No, not at all. They are actually connected by addition. And that is where most students make mistakes. We will see this shortly. Now, let's understand the basic rules for this conversion. First, multiply the whole number by the denominator of the fraction. Then, add the product to the numerator of the fraction to get the new numerator of the improper fraction. But remember, we keep the same denominator. Another way to understand this is, multiply the whole number by the denominator, and then add the numerator. Now let's convert 3 1/4 into an improper fraction. First, multiply the whole number by the denominator. 3 times 4 equals 12. Next, add this value to the numerator. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Now we have our new numerator. And we keep the same denominator. So, the answer is 13/4. Let's understand the meaning of these rules again. The denominator tells us into how many equal parts the whole is divided. The whole number tells us how many sets of those equal parts we have. And the numerator tells us how many extra parts we have in addition to the whole number. Now let's understand this with a real-life example. Let's say a pizza is divided into 4 equal slices. If we have 3 slices, it is written as 3/4. If we have 1 slice, it is written as 1/4. Now think about our previous example, where we had 13 slices. That means 3 full pizzas and 1 extra slice. So, in mixed form, we write 3 1/4. Or, as an improper fraction, we write 13/4. Let's try one more. 5 3/4. Pause here and try to solve. Now solve with me. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 plus 3 equals 23. So, the answer is 23/4. Now let's convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Convert 11/3. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. 11 divided by 3 equals 3, with a remainder of 2. Now for the mixed fraction, 3 becomes the whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator. And we keep the same denominator. So, the answer is 3 2/3. Now let's understand this using our pizza example. This time, each pizza is divided into 3 equal slices, and we have 11 slices in total. So the improper fraction is 11/3. But in other words, this means we have 3 full pizzas and 2 extra slices. So, the mixed fraction is 3 2/3. Let's try another example. 14/5. Pause and try to solve. Now solve with me. 14 divided by 5 equals 2, remainder 4. So, the answer is 2 4/5. Quick recap of today's lesson. When converting a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, multiply the whole number by the denominator, then add the numerator. When converting an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, divide the numerator by the denominator and use the remainder. Now you can convert both ways with confidence. To fully master fractions, continue learning related topics like fractions explained, simplifying fractions step by step, adding and subtracting fractions, multiplying and dividing fractions, or browse the channel for the lesson you need. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Core Concept Academy, where math and science become clear, simple, and logical. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.